Hey manifestors, this might be a little bit shaky because I'm just doing this on my hand here because I wanted to share a really quick one with you today about one of the one of the original manifestors of all times, and one of my favorite people to reference back to. Now, a lot of people don't know this person. That's why I'm sharing it, okay? So, a lot of these people that call themselves manifestors or whatever don't know the works of this person, and they are really amazing and essential. Who is this person? Her name is Florence Scovel Shinn, and she is an artist and writer from the early 1900s. Her most famous book is The Game of Life and How to Play It. And I'm going to put a link up here to an audiobook, and you must listen to this. And it was written in 1925, and it is amazing. It is like constantly quotable. I have about, and I'm not joking, I have about 50, probably more than that. It's probably closer to 100 quotes saved from not just that book, but if you get the complete works of Florence Scovel Shinn, you will not be upset at all. You will not be disappointed or upset, because those are really low vibration. Remember, I shared that yesterday. Go back and look at the one before this, okay? Keep the vibes high. Okay, let's keep the vibes high, and let's keep them up in gratitude, peace, well-being, love, okay? Let's get up around 700 plus. But just getting back to it, listen to the audiobook that I posted up there. Go and buy the complete works. I think it costs like $2 or something on Amazon. It's like nothing, because it's so old now that the price is very low when you get into kind of older stuff like that. But it is vital learning. There's a lot about money in there and money manifestations, okay? So this is one of the oldest money manifestations that are out there, and it's one of the best. So if you get into this work and just absorb Florence Scovel Shinn and know it and just live it, then you will start to manifest money and everything else that you want in your life. Like, it's just unbelievable, and it will work for you. So I just wanted to share that because it's one of my favorite things, and one of the things in my life that has helped me to manifest more, I think, than anything. And it's just a feel-good set of works, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And my hand is going to start to shake, so I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love.